I've been doing my own dog grooming at home for most of my little Yorkie's life because her hair grows fast and I was spending a good amount of money at the groomers every couple of months. I recently discovered this dog grooming vacuum from Airrobo. It comes with several attachments like the electric clippers with 6 different comb sizes, the crevice nozzle, the cleaning brush, and the grooming brush. It comes with a storage bag to keep all the attachments together in one place. I went ahead and purchased it because I was sold on the fact that it not only collected fur while you're clipping, but it looked like it would also help draw up the fur into the clipper mechanism. With breeds like Yorkies that have multi-directional hair growth, it's sometimes challenging to actually get the fur to engage with the traditional clippers. The Airrobo has very simple functionality with the power button and 3 speeds or levels. It comes with a nice long hose and power cord to be able to easily maneuver around your pet. I also like that it's much quieter than traditional clippers. The vacuum motor as well as the clipper attachment is really quiet and doesn't scare or make my pup anxious in any way. It helps make the process go quickly and smoothly. Once you're done, the canister is easy to remove and dump into the trash. This is a game changer for me. There's no time spent cleaning up hair and still finding it spread all over days later. So if you're looking for a good quality and affordable alternative option for grooming your dog, cat, or even your pet rabbit, definitely consider this one from Airrobo. I hope this overview and demonstration was helpful. Thanks for watching.